All right, we could still see some flakes flirting with our shoreline or a touch of freezing drizzle during the overnight hours. Notice we may even have some breaks of sun for a while tomorrow. That's pretty encouraging. 20 degrees in Boston. The breeze is light. It's going to be hardly a breeze tomorrow. So even though it's going to be cold, it won't feel as cold. A little bit below freezing around Hyannis, but remember, Plymouth is way below, and they've had a little bit of that off and on freezing rain. So ocean effect, very light snow or flurries or a little freezing drizzle, mainly for the South Shore and the Cape. A little bit more is possible during the overnight. Temperatures are going to stay cold, pretty much where they are now. This is pretty close to what the current readings are. Now, as far as tomorrow's concerned, we'll get a few breaks of sunshine, and we'll move up to about the freezing mark. However, with very light winds, it's actually going to feel pretty nice out tomorrow, so not a problem there. All right, so our next system, we already have this winter storm watch from Boston north and west, pretty close to Route I-95 north and west. That's about where the maximum of the rain snow line will get. Right now, it's just a system approaching from the west, but as it gets closer to us, it's not this storm, it's the second one. That'll bring developing southern moisture in, and that could give us a moderate amount of precipitation pretty much during the day on Wednesday. And then we'll see weather improvement that follows. So one more time, just to give you an idea on the timeline, we're okay for tomorrow evening's commute here around Boston, but look what happens. You think we're okay, and then by that morning commute, boom, the snow's overspread the region, mix or rain over extreme southeastern Mass and the Cape, and then it exits late in the day on Wednesday. All right, this is what you can expect from about Boston north and west. Could be anywhere from 4 to 7 inches. Now, if there's any rain that gets mixed in on the edge of that line, then it'll be closer to the 2 to 4. But otherwise, expect about 4 to 7 inches, much less down on Cape Cod with that. And look at this. The jet stream gives us a break, allows us to turn warmer over the weekend, and the Patriot game could be around 50 degrees. So that's something to look forward to. But impact weather for Wednesday morning's commute and the midday hours probably improving around the evening commute on Wednesday.